Good day, everyone. This is our revision for our system. So let's start on the comment of Serowa. So his comment is to revise our multiple items per transaction (POS) and sales report. So let's start first on the multiple items per transaction. So first, log into the system as a staff. Then check if the items have sufficient stock. Then input two or more sales transactions at the same time. Then process the sales transactions simultaneously. Then confirm each sale by completing the transactions with the receipt. Then immediately check the inventory list if to verify if the stock has been updated correctly after two or more sales. Then ensure the inventory reflects the reduced stock after both transactions. So next is the sales report. So log in as a staff or admin, then navigate to reports page. Then generate the report. You generate the report, then print the filtered data. So let's go now to the comments of Sir Pada. His comments were there must be only one login form. So here is our revision for that. So next is sorry. So next is the incomplete data field. So now we added the following fields. So now you can see that we added a product description, unit of measurement, reorder level, and purchase date from supplier. The next is to improve overall user interface and change the background. So we remove the image from the background and instead we use a solid color for our background. Then finally is the sales report. So this is our sales report. So this is our sales report. We can print the sales report in Excel, and we can also filter product names, dates, and etc. So that's all for our revision of our system based on the comments. Thank you and advance Merry Christmas everyone. Okay.